Yes, AutoZone does install batteries for free, but with a few caveats. When you walk into an AutoZone, eager to solve your car's sluggish start, you'll likely encounter a world of automotive possibilities. It's like Disneyland for car enthusiasts, a place where every shelf and rack promises to extend the life of your beloved vehicle. Among these myriad options, battery replacement stands as a common quest for many patrons. The good news is, AutoZone offers free battery installation services, but there are some conditions. First and foremost, this free service is contingent upon the battery's location within your vehicle. If the battery is easily accessible, think along the lines of most front-engine cars where the battery is openly present under the hood, then you're in luck. The skilled folks at AutoZone will have that old battery out, and a new one in quicker than you can say, voltaic cell rejuvenation. However, the complexity of your car's design could throw a wrench into the gears. If your battery is tucked away in a hard-to-reach spot, like under the seat or behind multiple engine components, certain European models love to make a simple battery swap resemble an archaeological excavation. They might not be able to perform the installation due to the required labor and skill set. Also, remember that this service is available for batteries purchased at AutoZone. It's a classic case of quid pro quo. Buy their battery, and they'll install it for free. This policy makes sense from a business perspective and ensures that the batteries being installed meet a standard of quality and warranty coverage that AutoZone stands by. Living in Portland, where the weather can swing from sun to rain to a bothersome mix, ensuring your car's battery is in top condition is crucial. A malfunctioning battery on a cold, rainy Portland morning is akin to finding out your favorite coffee shop has run out of coffee. Utterly disappointing, and a surefire way to start the day off wrong. So, if you're rolling by an AutoZone, whether you're dealing with the unpredictable Portland weather or simply ensuring your car is in peak condition, their free battery installation offer is a boon. Just make sure your battery is easy to get to and that you're buying the replacement from them. After all, in a world where little comes without a price, a free battery installation is a small victory worth celebrating.